Welcome to
Missy's wedding garden. Today is Memorial Day, and we are
May 26th,
May 26th,
2025.
25. Her wedding is in September, and we are growing all the flowers. So do you know what we're growing?
Zinnias,
Yeah,
amaranth,
the real pretty burgundy ones, right?
and then we found pumpkin on the stick,
Yeah,
little
and
eggplants.
ugly warty pumpkins.
Yeah,
And mini orange pumpkins.
beautiful pumpkins too.
Beautiful pumpkins.
Yep.
And then
sunflowers.
Sunflowers. Lots of different color sunflowers. We've got yellow and cherry and white with cherry centers. So we got lots and lots of planting to do.
Right, and the herbs too. But
Yes,
we'll show that later.
she's doing a special surprise bouquet. So we're working on that too.
There's Gina at work.
Just making rows for everything. We put compost and we put a lot of compost and leaves and everything in the fall. So these beds have been prepared now for a year, or half a year anyway. So they should be really fertile. And we'll put all the compost, which you can see right there. We have a giant pile in the back that we do every year with horse manure and leaves.
Sheep poop.
And sheep poop, lots of sheep poop. So that's that'll be all through giving them fertilizer, so we don't have to.
All right, so here's all of our rows. So we're gonna start planting the zinnias now.
And that's a wrap. We finished our daily planting. How many rows?
Miscounted on the sheet. I think 19.
19 rows?
Yeah. I think so, yeah.
Zinnias
19.
and amaranth?
No, 21.
21.
21
okay.
rows. That's why we miscounted.
Yeah, lots of colors. And the amaranthus, had to learn how to say that. And we put some summer squash in, and now next week we'll start doing the sunflowers
and a special surprise.
Yes,
We're going to plant that this week.
And some other things. So, see you soon.